Introducing the 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. This vehicle qualifies for our free Super Guarantee Autos Vehicle Warranty Program. Buy a vehicle and get a free warranty from us only at everycarlisted.com. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.